But you wanna know what else it is? Bubble wrap! No, seriously, bubble wrap. I have exams, so you're getting bubble wrap. Who doesn't love bubble wrap? It's bubble wrap! I can still see. Hey, I can see everything. Also, that's where the purple hippo moved to. Dimension 519. That makes sense. It is more colorful there. Seriously, look. You see? You saw. Bubble wrap, like, who doesn't love bubble wrap? Like, seriously, you can just pop it, and who needs to pop pills? You can pop bubble wrap! Until it doesn't want to pop. Yeah, okay. Yeah. My best friend Clarence loves bubble wrap. It's just so bubbly, and it makes Clarence happy, and he should be happy because he doesn't have long left. Roll, roll your bubble wrap up in the air. It's the ghost! Is to say, is everyone getting a newsletter or something that I'm not aware of? You're not all in danger of a video of me just popping bubble wrap obsessively. Nope, nope, nope. Not a thing. No bubble wrap, nope.